What's this? Bird. Bird has ribby and small and many legs. What's this? Dog. Dog has long ears and stop to pet. Dog. What's this? Berry. Berry to eat. Berry. What's this? Moon. Moon is in the sky at night. Moon. What's this? Horse. Horse with fun to ride on the back. This a real horse. What's this? Pen. Pen we write on the paper. This a pen. What's this? Shoes. Shoes we go in the feet. These are shoes. What's this? House. House we live in the house. And door and the window house. What's this? Pig. Pig has big nose and pink. This a nose. This a pig. What's this? Trees. Trees has many green leaves and toes.